Hello and welcome to DadBQ. Today we're going to be queuing up some
BBQ fish fry.
This is a personal favorite. I love having this on crackers, on toast, on sandwiches, on a bagel. This is a great appetizer to bring to an event, and it's going to impress everyone. Today we'll provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook this as a family, and at the end we'll provide a full recipe screenshot. Are you ready? Are you ready? More importantly, are you ready? Then let's start cooking!
Boo boopy doo, it's DadBQ, the family-friendly cooking show.
All right, what's the first step here?
First, we are going to season both sides of the slice with a barbecue rub.
Great, let's do it. All right, what's the next step?
Gonna put them on the smoker.
All right. So we cooked the fish on the smoker, hour and a half, 2 hours. We got it up to 145 degrees internal. Looks great. What's the next step?
Now we are going to chop up the fish.
All right, so we have a board scoop, or you can use a knife, and we're just going to press through and break it up. You want to have at it? Great. So we chopped up the tilapia, so we got around 2 pounds of that chopped up. We diced up our green onion, zested a lemon. We have some whipped cream cheese, some mayo, some hot sauce. We're also going to add rub and salt and pepper to taste at the end. What do we do with these ingredients?
Mix them all together.
Let's do it. All right, we got our smoked barbecue fish dip. We're going to dig into it right now. We also love letting it sit in the fridge overnight and letting those flavors marinate together, but I'm not going to be able to wait. So let's get some tasting for our helpers.
It's good.
It looks it. I love that. Well, this is going to be a great lunch tomorrow.
So good.
All right. Thank you. So I'll clean this up. Thank you for your help. Thank you for joining us again today at DadBQ. Remember, who's the Q?
DadBQ! Boo boopy doo, it's DadBQ, the family-friendly cooking show.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe. And visit us at dadbq.com.